Hello and welcome to my first Pictionary. This is an English lesson for ages 4 to 9, maybe even a little bit older. It's an easy English follow along with basic vocabulary of most things. We're going to cover today, colors, the school, numbers, toys, body parts, the countryside, family, animals, clothes, places in town, food and drinks, transport, the house, and jobs. It's a fun and interactive exercise. It's for normally A0 to A1 level if you're looking at the language levels. Let's follow
Colors.
colors. Okay, so we're going to go through the colors. We've got crayons,
Yellow,
yellow,
orange,
orange. Try and say it with me.
red,
Red, one of my favorite colors. Purple, purple,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
brown,
brown,
white,
white,
grey,
gray,
black,
black,
Pink.
pink. What is your favorite color? Say it now. Nice, leave a comment about it. Let's go back. Colors.
School items.
School items. So if you're in school already, you should know a few of these.
School bag.
School bag.
pencil,
Pencil. It helps if you say the words a few times, so you can even slow down the video in the settings and slay it if I'm talking too fast.
pen,
Pen.
Marker.
Marker.
notebook,
Notebook.
book,
Book.
ruler,
Ruler.
pencil sharpener,
Pencil sharpener.
rubber,
Rubber.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
School subjects.
School subject.
Math.
Math.
Science.
Science.
Art.
Art.
Physical education.
Physical education, also known as PE.
Geography.
Geography, one of my favorite subjects.
English.
English, you're learning English right now.
Music.
Music is awesome.
French.
French, parlez-vous français?
ICT.
ICT, information computer technology.
History.
History,
Places in the school.
places in the school. Let's see here.
Gym.
Gym, where we practice all our sports.
Toilets.
The toilets or the bathrooms.
Science lab.
Science lab, very interesting stuff happening there.
Staff room.
Staff room, where kids really don't go there. That's where the staff relax away from the kids.
Technology room.
Technology room, we always had some fun there.
Art room.
Art room, definitely one of the most fun places in the school.
Classroom.
Classroom, we all know the basic classroom.
Computer room.
Computer room.
Music room.
Music room, fun in there as well. That's
Library.
and the library, a place of knowledge. Okay, so let's go for numbers. Numbers quickly, we're going to cover.
Numbers.
You know all the basic numbers. We've got them all here, nicely colored out for you. We've got the green,
1,
1. Say it with me.
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10. And we do it again. You can if you want. I would definitely recommend saying it a few times. I will do some more exercises about the bigger numbers, about dates, about all the different types of numbers that you can possibly do in English. So subscribe and we'll definitely do some more for later. Okay, so we've done that. Let's do some body parts.
Body parts.
Body parts. We've got all the body parts. We've got a young little boy here. We're going to say the top one over here. That is
head,
head,
chest,
chest,
hand,
hand,
leg,
leg,
foot,
foot. And then up here, what is that one? Anybody knows? Have you guess now?
shoulder,
Shoulder,
tummy,
tummy,
fingers,
fingers,
knee,
knee, your bendy part of your leg,
toes,
my toes, my fingers on my feet, right? Let's go here. Okay, so now we got a little bit more zoomed in on the face. The top one,
hair,
hair,
eye,
one eye,
nose,
nose, one nose,
mouth,
mouth, one mouth,
tongue,
tongue, no, you can taste with your tongue,
eyebrow,
eyebrow,
ear,
ear,
cheek,
my cheek,
teeth,
teeth,
lip,
lip. Nice. Okay, let's go back. So now let's try a little bit something more difficult. Let's try family.
Family members.
Family members. So this is the little girl. She's sitting there. She says, "This is my family." So first we have got
Grandfather.
on this side. He's the grandfather, the oldest one in the family normally, and then
Grandmother.
grandmother, his wife, normally they are together. So they have children.
Grandparents.
They are the grandparents.
Father.
And they have children, father
Mother.
and mother.
Parents.
And they are the parents of this little girl here in the purple dress.
Brother.
That's her brother, spiky black hair.
Sister.
Sister, nice little pigtails she's got.
Children.
Children, they are the children of the father and the mother. Now,
Uncle.
uncle, if we go to the other side of the family,
Aunt.
and that's his wife.
Cousin.
And their kids are called your cousin if you are the sister. Okay, so now, family, let's do a little bit of animals. The animals, I can really go into detail with animals. I've got a lot of stuff about animals, so please, I would love to share that with you. This is just the basic stuff, but we are going to go over some more in a later lesson.
Farm animals.
Farm animals, okay, there's some very funny pictures here for some farm animals. I love to do African animals with everybody and all the international animals actually. So let's carry on. This one here in the beginning, anybody knows?
Turkey.
Turkey.
Sheep.
Sheep. Meh.
Horse.
Horse.
Cow.
Cow.
Goat.
Goat.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Pig.
Piggy.
Rooster.
Rooster.
Hen.
Hen.
Duck.
Duck. Ta-da.
Wild animals.
Wild animals. So the first one, the biggest animal, the tallest animal we have in Africa.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Snake.
Snake.
Elephant.
Elephant. You can clap it, it's got 3 syllables. Elephant.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros or a rhino.
Lion.
Lion.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Bear.
Bear. And the last one,
Hippo.
hippo or hippopotamus. We're going to learn all about those guys a little bit later. Okay, so now we've done all of those. Let's try clothing.
Winter clothes.
That's it. Okay, winter clothes. The first one, you use it on your head.
Hat.
Hat. And this one keeps your hand warm in the summer. Or in the winter, not in the summer. In the summer you don't need them. In the winter,
Gloves.
gloves. And then this one over here keeps you also nice and warm.
Coat.
Coat. This one we wear around our neck.
Scarf.
Scarf.
Jumper.
Jumper.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Boots.
Boots.
Mittens.
Mittens.
Socks.
Socks.
Shoes.
Shoes. Okay, I know I'm going really fast. That is the point. If I'm going too fast, please ask your parents to slow down the video. You can do it in the YouTube settings, but we aren't purposely talking fast because that's how the people are going to speak to you in the real world. So we're trying to train you how you would come across English in the real world. But you can always slow down the video, go over it again, listen a few times, and I'm sure one of these days you'll be speaking English fluently. Nice.
Summer clothes.
Summer clothing. Now it's a little bit more hot and a little bit more nice outside, so we can wear a little bit cooler clothing. The first one, we put it on our head again.
Cap.
Cap. See the difference between the cap and the hat?
Dress.
Dress for the girls.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Skirt.
A skirt. Short, like a short dress.
Blouse.
Blouse, like a top for a woman.
Shirt.
A shirt.
Jeans.
Jeans.
Shorts.
Shorts.
Swimming suit.
Swimming suit. And
Sandals.
sandals. Okay. So there's a lot more where this comes from. Definitely, I would like to share more with you, but we're going to go back to index and we're going to start learning about places in town, transportation, jobs. Which one do you think we should take? We should take food and drinks. Let's go for
Food and drinks.
Okay, so food and drinks, we've got a few here. What is this one over here? First one, most kids eat it for school every day. This is
Bread.
bread. And then the next one, we put a lot on pizza or something.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Tomato.
Tomato. Both are right.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Ham.
Ham.
Sausages.
Sausages. You can have lots of different types of sausages. You can have vegan sausages. You can have beef sausages. There's lots depending on what you eat. But that's generally how it looks.
Potatoes.
Potatoes, the staple food of a lot of stuff. And then also make of potatoes is
Chips.
chips or French fries known as well. Chips or French fries.
Chicken.
Chicken. Some people don't eat meat. They don't have to. I fully respect that.
Fish.
And fish is also a very healthy life choice, but also a lot of people don't eat it. Then let's see here. Okay, now everybody knows the first one. What is this first one? It's a nice, I don't know what the flavor is. It looks like a funny pink flavor and maybe strawberry?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Milk.
Milk.
Cake.
Cake.
Apple.
Apple.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Milkshake.
Milkshake.
Juice.
Juice.
Onion.
Onion makes you cry sometimes.
Banana.
Banana.
Water.
Water. Okay, let's see here. So I'm going to leave some of it for homework. If you look in the description of the video, you will find the link where you can download this slideshow and you can do it all by yourself. And the words are there, it sounds it out, and you can play with it. Please subscribe for more, and I hope you have a very, very nice day. Thanks.